From heat and humidity to daily storm chances, we've got it all in our forecast. What else would you expect, right, for the middle of July? It's very warm out there, especially for the time of the year that we're in, and we're actually going to see an elevated storm chance this afternoon, tomorrow, and also the day after tomorrow. So that's going to be a theme we're going to see over the next couple of days. Right now, it's too early in the morning to see anything on the visible satellite. It's about 8:18 right now on your Tuesday morning. The remnants of the storms yesterday, they're pushing offshore, but do notice we have this orange shading on the map. This is actually a heat advisory that's issued by the National Weather Service for the northeastern part of South Carolina and the eastern part of North Carolina. And we've also got some flood advisory showing up in southeastern North Carolina, where we did see some flash flooding go on due to Tropical Storm Chantal. And even parts of Moore County, Lee County saw some dam failures go on up there in North Carolina. That's Lee County, North Carolina. That saw some pretty bad flooding and also some dam failures. But getting in closer to this heat advisory, it's actually not in effect until 10 o'clock in the morning, and it will expire at 8 p.m. And this entire area is expecting the heat index to get above 105 degrees this afternoon. So you see it does include Florence and Lumberton, Fayetteville. It's just the inland areas. The coastal areas are not included in that heat advisory. It also includes Sanford, back up into Fayetteville, Laurinburg, also Burgaw and Jacksonville. So all of these areas are under a heat advisory for later on this afternoon. We're hoping for rain chances to be a little bit more intense today than they have been over the last couple of days to hopefully lower that heat index, but the numbers are going to be far and few between this afternoon, with the air temperature getting very close to 100 degrees, even in areas in the Midlands and the Low Country. I think everybody in South Carolina has the possibility to see the heat index get over 100 degrees. We don't have a heat advisory issued for the Midlands or for the Low Country. That's because the criteria there is 110 degrees, and we're not going to see heat that intense this afternoon or any time over the next several days. But we are going to be expecting a storm chance roll our way later on this afternoon. This is about, say, mid-afternoon, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. We're starting to see scattered storms develop, and it's hard to predict exactly where these storms are going to show up, but do know anybody that sees rain, it could be heavy at times with some gusty downpours, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. Not everybody will see rain, but those who do, it could be heavy at times. And thus the best chance of seeing severe weather this afternoon is going to be mainly north and east of Columbia, so Rock Hill, Cheraw, Florence, Darlington, Sumter, and areas northeast of there. We're also seeing a marginal risk in Laurinburg, Lumberton, Fayetteville, and up into southeastern North Carolina. Tomorrow we have that marginal risk, but it's been shifted a little bit further south than west, so now that includes all of the upstate, the Midlands, and also most of the inland communities of the PD. That's going to be for tomorrow afternoon, where we're going to do it all over again with the heat and humidity. And so you'll see that storm chance for the next several days on our 7-day forecast. Temperatures are going to remain in the mid-90s, and through the extended 7-day forecast, still we're keeping that chance of isolated thunderstorms in there at least until the middle part of next week, where we might start to clear out a little bit, but I think the storm chance is still there even towards the middle and end of next week, and high temperatures will remain in the mid-90s, with humidity making it feel like it's over 100 degrees for many locations, and the low temperature is going to be in the lower 70s, so making it feel hot even at nighttime.